I'm going to show you how you can integrate Umami into your WordPress site. If you don't know already, I love Umami. It's an alternative to Google Analytics. Google Analytics is free, yes, but it's got a lot of problems, right? It suffers from data sampling. You realize the data is not 100% real. But if you host Umami yourself, everything is real time and you get to keep your own data and everything is really accurate. So let's go into how you can do this. First of all, you need to go to your WordPress site, come to plugins, search for Umami, and then look for this, integrate Umami, install it, and then click activate. All right, once you've activated it, you can come down, go to settings, and you have to enable Umami, and you have to find your website ID and your script URL. So how do you do that? Well, you need to go to your Umami setup first, go to settings, and then add your website. Okay, so I've just inputted information and I'm gonna add my website. Boom, I've added my website. Then you can come into edit, and from there you're gonna be able to find your website ID and just copy that. Then you can plug it into your website ID, and then you need to put in your script URL. After you've copied a website ID, click on tracking code, and basically you need to copy this, and this is where your script ID is. Then you go back, put in your script URL, and then save changes. Setting is saved. Now let's check it. So it's got 0 visits right now. Let's try to visit the site. Okay, and once we've added the script and ID, you'll see that if you go to the website, I currently have 1 current visitor, and that's the beauty of Umami. It's basically real time. And there you have it. You've integrated Umami. I hope you enjoyed the video, but having Umami is not enough. You got to look at the data, analyze it, and then see how you can improve your website. I built an AI agent system that automatically analyzes your Umami data every week and then sends you a report, so you don't have to spend any time and still get the insights. Check it out in the description. If you like this video, subscribe and like. Thank you.